Alright, good day everyone, and today you'll be learning about how you can make research on a coin. So before I get started, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly tick off the subscribe button and on your notification bell for more videos. So today you'll be learning how you can be able to make research on any coin. So the platform we are to use is the CoinGecko. So I'll be going to my browser. I'll be using Chrome. Search. This is CoinGecko. So I'm searching for it. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, there are several coins that are on the CoinGecko platform. You can see Bitcoin. You can see Ethereum. You can see USDT, SRP, BNB, Solana. So if the coin you are looking for is not here, what you do is you go to the search bar, you click on it, then you search. For example, now you're looking for charts. Charts is a cryptocurrency under the Genesis blockchain. So you can see these charts. There are several charts here. So the one you click is the one that is on the Genesis blockchain. So there is one that is clicked now. Click on it. Okay. Okay, this is not the main chart. So what you let me search for more of the charts. You have to be very careful when making your research to avoid buying the wrong coin. So let me research it again. Okay. I'm going to select the first one. Yes, the first one is the right one. Yes, this is the coin I'm looking for. So I'm waiting for it to boot. As you can see, there are several options here. You can see information about the coin. You can see the market. You can see the news. You can see similar coins. You can also see the historical data of the coin. And also, here you can see the live charts of the coin. You want to know how the coin is moving or how the coin is doing, you can see that also from here. Also, you can see the statistics of the coin. I see the market cap of the coin is about $214,000. You can see the fully diluted valuation, $328,000. You can see the trading volume of the coin, as how much they trade the coin daily. Yes, in the last 24 hours, how much they have traded the coin. So it's about $1,000. Let me say 8,333 33 cents. Yeah. So you can see the circulating supply of the coin is about 264 trillion. You can see the contract address of the coin if you want to add it to your MetaMask or any browser at all. I mean any wallet at all. You can see the contract address. You can see the Explorer, which is the Genesis blockchain. Okay, so that's how they make research on a coin. Look at the converter, like the price of the coin. One of that shitty cat is about, see, there are a lot of zeros. Okay, so if you buy $1, it will be worth more. Yeah, let me put $1 here now. See, if you buy $1 worth of this coin, it will be the value. Yes, that will be the value of the coin. You can see the chart. This is a weekly chart of the coin. Okay, this coin is currently pumping. But that's how you can make research on any coin at all. Please, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel, and also share it to your friends. Thank you very much.